Let's start with our star and find the last 24 hours flashing and with coronal motions. Nothing as spectacular as the days before. Couple M-class flares, still no coronal holes, but a significant solar watch as we go forward towards the weekend. In terms of the solar flaring, you will see the flashes of the M-class events here at the northern incoming and southern incoming sunspot groups. Those flashes were the main flares we took over the last day, and just this morning, the departing spot on the south said a little goodbye as well. Another M-class flare there at the limb. Let's use SOHO to watch some of the CMEs produced over the last couple days, several smaller ones and two larger ones heading north and south. None of the eruptions have been Earth-directed, which is a very good thing, but we have seen atmospheric ionization from the flares and even a magnetic crochet late on the 9th when one of the Xclass flares actually disrupted Earth's entire magnetic field. Here's a quick look at the sunspot groups we currently have on the Earth-facing half of the Sun. You can see a bit of motion and development or decay, with the largest development occurring at the northern incoming sunspot groups. This morning the caboose is growing and gaining umbral cores. As we can also see in 171 angstroms, there is more coming, apparently. These large arching fields over the limb indicate that more active regions are on their way into view, both on the north and the south. The second X-class flare from a couple days ago ionized the southeast Pacific, if you'll recall from our live stream. And just as the previous one ionized the southwest Pacific and was followed by quakes, we've got above average rumbling here. Luckily not too big, and hopefully it is all we'll get. After the USA had its flight systems issues yesterday, we apparently had similar problems in parts of Canada. As I said last night, there's no way to definitively tell if it's solar-related or solar fear-related on the part of the government, but time and time again, these flight system issues match up with inclement space weather. Can't ignore coincidence.